Hello friends, today I am here to share one important aspect, that is how to come out of doubting mindset. Many a times we will be going here and there and we will be trying to work on many things, and we have to take many decisions in life, in everyday life. We will be getting lot of doubts. We will be getting lot of questions whether we should go ahead with this or not, how to take a decision, whether it is right or not, is it going to give a right result, is it going to create good future. Like this, many questions we get. If we get some doubts, that is well and good. We should always doubt before doing anything. We should question whether it is correct or not. But over doubting is always not correct. It will create a lot of problems. You will not be able to take any decision. You will not be able to go forward. Because of which you will lack growth. Growth will be stopped. Then what to do at these kind of situations? How to manage ourselves? This is what the question is. Let us first understand what is doubt. Doubt means when you come across any person or any situation, you will try to think or question yourself whether it is going to give the expected result or not, expected output or not. Is it going to be benefited for both the parties at least? If you get one doubt, that is fine. If you get multiple doubts, that is not correct. This doubt comes out of 2 to 3 things. One of the more important reason for getting more doubts is lacking self-confidence. If you are not confident about yourself, if you are not confident about the particular subject you are working on, you will get lot of doubts. So if you want to get rid of this doubting mindset, first of all, you have to do something, some practices which will increase your self-confidence. Say if you are working on mathematics, you should increase your knowledge on mathematics. Then the doubts on the mathematics will not be there when you are trying to solve a question. So my dear friends, so if you wanted to solve any problem and if you have a lot of doubts, first thing you should get is clarity. So if you improve your clarity on that particular subject, with that you will get lot of confidence. With the confidence you will be able to deal any doubt and you will be able to happily take any decision and go forward. Another more important aspect is the reason for getting more doubts is negative thoughts. From where these negative thoughts are generated? These negative thoughts are generated out of our negative mindset. Our negative mindset is created out of our negative memories. You might have come across a lot of negative situations in your past, in your earlier experiences. Yesterday, day before yesterday, or 100 days back. And that will be there in your memory. And that memory will affect you as a thought, as a negative thought, whenever you come across similar kind of situation. That negative thought will trigger you and create negative mindset, so that you will not be able to take forward. So you have to come out of that negative thought which is there in your memory. That means you have to replace that. First you have to understand that all the situations will not give the same results. It may be similar, but you need not be bothered that you will get the same result, same negative result. You should have confidence. You should be positive enough. Replace that negative thought, negative memory with positive thought. When you replace that negative thought with positive thought, you will be able to see the current situation positively and you will be able to take decision confidently. So increase your knowledge and have more positive thoughts. Whatever may be the past, whatever happened in the past, that has lot of many other reasons. Based on many reasons, one particular situation will happen. Maybe it is wrong or right. You cannot always judge your current situation with the past situation based on your past experience. So even if you have lot of bad experiences in your past, you should come out of all that bad experience related mindset and deal your current situation with positive mindset only, because this is your current situation. You cannot cross it without having positive thought. So deal with your existing memory and be confident and cross this doubting mindset. So first thing is you have to improve your clarity and confidence, and then remove your negative thoughts which are there in your memory. And another more important practice you have to do is not reading negative news or not listening to negative news. Over listening to negative news or over reading to negative news, maybe in the media, social media, newspapers, whatever it is, that will create a lot of negative thoughts in your mind. If you keep on listening more and more negative thoughts, negative news, that will be there in your memory again and influence your mindset. If you don't want to be in negative mode and doubting mindset, you should stop listening to all unnecessary news. There are a lot of good things happening in this world. You can always listen to them. Not only negative things, bad things happening in this world. There are n number of good things happening. Keep listening to more number of good things. Keep listening to positive news. There are a lot of good people, not only bad people. There are n number of great people like Gandhi, Buddha, Rama, Krishna, Vivekananda, Ramana Maharshi. Go through them, go through their books. If you read their books, you will see how many great things happened in this world. How many great people are there. You will get inspired. So instead of reading negative news, instead of listening to negative news, keep listening to positive news. Keep reading positive books. There are n number of great books available in this world, written by many great masters. Ramana Maharshi books, Paramahansa Yogananda books, Osho Rajneesh books. If you keep reading great books, your current thoughts, whatever your negative thoughts, will be replaced by great thoughts, positive thoughts, miraculous thoughts. With this kind of positive mindset, with the thoughts available which came from great books and great people, you will be able to deal your current negative mindset comfortably and easily. And last and most important practice you have to do is try to meet as many great positive people as possible. Those who practice meditation, those who are into positive groups, meet them, try to interact with them. Not only negative people, meet as many positive people as possible, as many spiritual people as possible. That is called as Sajjana Sangatya. If you have more and more Sajjana Sangatyam, what will happen? You will be inspired by them. You will get confidence because of their interactions, because of their friendships. They will give you many experiences in their lives which are positive, not negative. So with that, your confidence will naturally increase. Your thought process will naturally change and transform towards positive thoughts. So my dear friends, so here total overall almost 4 to 5 concepts which we have to follow is: first, increase clarity and confidence, and then stop thinking about positive, negative. Stop thinking about negative situations which are there earlier in life. Replace them with positive thoughts, and stop reading negative news and start listening to positive news and meet positive people who practice meditation, who practice spirituality. So with this, you will be able to come out of your doubting mindset easily. So thank you very much. Keep practicing all these points, and if you get any doubt, you can write your comment, put your comment, and I will try to answer that questions. If you like this, you can share this to your friends. Thank you very much.